guys, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you want. Konnichiwa. Hope you're having a good time. This is my second video today, so this one is special. I got a message from Tesla on my app that something I pre-ordered because it sells out right away is my Model Y projection lights from Puddle lights. I got these from Japan Tesla. They were 5,000 Japanese yen. What's that, like 35 US dollars? Pretty cheap. You get two. I only ordered two. I don't need four. So you get two in a box. That's pretty cool. They have a QR code. I'll try that out later. Probably instructions on how to install, but they're really simple to install. So I'll show you how to do that myself. And yeah, we'll get going from there. It's just the two front doors. Let's see. So right now, I don't know, it's too bright out. Yeah, there's a Puddle light right underneath the door here. Oh, it's right here. You can see it hitting my hand. There's a Puddle light there. Just have to pop those out with a screwdriver, and we're good to go. So let's see here. Let's get this going. All right. So what I did, I got the camera facing up right now. Let's see. So what it is, I bought a screwdriver, a teeny little screwdriver. This has a, what is it? A 6mm tip on it, and I put some tape over it so I don't scratch anything. And what you do, you have to lay down on the ground, basically, and stick it right in here. There's a little spot here. You can stick it in and just pry it out, and it pops right out like so. Be careful not pull too hard. There's a wire here. And see how you remove this. Let's see here. There's a thing I gotta pull, I think. Let's see if I can do it with my finger. I don't want to pull too hard. Let's see. Try a screwdriver again. Not sure. I checked out the there we go. I think so. There we go. I checked out the so it just pops right out. Use a screwdriver and just pop it in there, pull it out. The QR code, and it just takes you to Tesla's homepage for troubleshooting. So trust me, my video is probably gonna work better. So there you go. That's the OEM part, but these are OEM as well. That's just a Puddle light. Now I'm going to put projectors in. Question is, these are for the front doors, right? These things look bigger. These look bigger. All right, pop this in. Let's pop this bad boy in. This bad boy is bigger. Yeah, it's facing the right way. Always make sure it's facing the right way before you pop it in. Oh, that looks way better than the Puddle lights. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that looks way better. And wait till tonight when I can show you what it looks like. But that's how you do it, guys. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, that was ridiculously easy to do. So I got them installed. It only took a couple minutes each side. So I can't wait to show you tonight. I saw there's a little shade here. So I can see a little bit, but it'll look better at night. But I don't know. Yeah, it gives you an idea what it's gonna look like. That is sick. Yeah, I like that. Look at and what's cool is since it's from Tesla, you can say it's OEM. It's not like a third-party part. It's OEM. Cool. I'm gonna shoot some video later on when it's darker, and we can enjoy that together. And that's it. That's all I want to do is a video of that. It's pretty simple. I love it. 50 bucks over here, 5,000 over here, probably 35 bucks for you guys in America. Check it out, especially if you guys sold yes, somebody bought a Tesla using your account. You got some money you can blow. You can get it that way. As a matter of fact, just real quick before I go, guys, reminder. You're seeing a lot of YouTubers making videos right now about Tesla stuff because Tesla brought back the referral program, and you get $1,000 off. They get $500. I don't get that much. I get $350, or Sanju Goman, which is 35,000. No, Sanju Goman is too much. Sorry guys, that was way off. Saman Gosein, 35,000. 35,000 is all I get if you buy a car. You get $1,000 off if you live in America, or 1,300 if you live in Canada. But I get 35,000 yen. That's all I get. But it helps. It all helps. And it was, I don't do advertisements, as you can tell. And if you want to help me out, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done that. And if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, because the Ys are super cheap right now and they're great cars, please use my referral code and it helps me out. That's supporting me in your own way. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, that's sick. That's really nice. I can't recommend that one enough. You don't have a big pole light anymore, but you have this awesome Tesla logo. That's pretty trippy. I like that. What do you think, guys? Pretty cool? Yeah, that's awesome. Dude, that looks good.